So prompts, I wanted to spend some time on prompts because this is where most people give up on AI. Yeah, I heard it. Yeah, exactly. Ready? So this is what most people do. They do a basic prompt, okay? And by the way, I've been taking AI classes for 2 years, so understand why I'm where I am. Task, context. List 5 sales techniques. That's the task. Context for in-store jewelry retailer. Simple, basic prompt, right? Try these, by the way, when you get back. Then try a more focused prompt. Task, context, role, requirements. Whenever you say a role, you're going to get a much better outcome because who told me about the sales techniques? Was it a sales specialist or was it a customer? So if you don't tell it what role to take, so here you go. You're an expert in retail, in-store jewelry sales, very important. Outline a list of sales techniques to train our newly hired sales staff. So context, and I told them a little bit about the audience. I'm going to get into that one next. And then now here include welcoming a customer, conversational sales transition techniques, and how to ask for the sale. Is this something that you all teach your retail salespeople? Did I make it up, right? This is good? Okay, so now this is what we call a comprehensive prompt. Task, context, role, requirement, boundaries, explanation and reasoning, audience, and then format and examples if you want, okay? So much more detailed. You will see here, you're an expert at in-store retail jewelry sales, outline a list of sales techniques to train our newly hired sales staff. The trainees on the sales team are new to retail sales. So now I've literally explained that they're not just new to our team, but they've never sold before. Include a welcoming a customer, same thing, right? Avoid tactics that are high pressure and insincere. Explain each tactic for each part of the conversation and why it aligns with connecting with our in-store customer. You're going to get a much better outcome with this. Does this make sense? So my brain does not work this way. I love this. I learned this. I wanted to share it because this might work for somebody else's brain. This is how my brain works. My brain, I started doing this. I say, well, what am I doing? I want the role, so focus. Act as my personal YouTube title strategist. This is one of my real prompts, by the way. You've helped creators generate over 300 million views through optimized titles. That's the role of that person. Now, the task. Create 5 converting YouTube titles. The audience, independent retail jewelry store owners. The requirements. I want the titles to be under 55 characters. They need to be focused on browse-based discovery, not search. Use exciting language that creates curiosity. Make titles instantly understandable in less than 1 second. Now, there's more that I put on this. I only gave you half of my prompt. Do you see the difference?